to add home location in Google Maps on Android on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Google folder and click on Maps app. After click on Maps app, click on U. After click on U, click on Labeled and click on Home and enter home address. After enter add home, click on save and click on done and click on this three dot icon and click on edit home. If you want to edit, click on save. After click on save, click on search and you will see your home location. After watching, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add home location in Google Maps on Android on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.